Hello, my name is Abe Gloria, yeah, and on this project I'm featuring in as Laura. Basically, I didn't get much challenge on my character since I read the script and I analyzed it well. Then I understood it. I broke it down and I had to fit in the character as Laura, that crazy hustler. Yeah, it was nice and hectic at the same time, working with other people, working with new faces and new talents. So it was a challenge to me. Wow. I'm not like I'm going to talk on my I'm going to defend myself as Gloria, not Laura. Don't take me as a smoker. Don't take me as a player, because I'm not that. So if you're watching this and you see me on the road, please, I'm Gloria. I'm not Laura. Laura is a character. So just take it as a lesson that there are things sometimes young ladies go through which are not appropriate, but it's not that they want. Sometimes there are pressure behind pushing them toward that. So don't stone me if you see me on the way that Laura broke Tony's heart. No. First of all, as an actor, if you're given a script, read it, analyze it, understand it, then you start work through your emotions to fit into the character. So that is what I usually do when I'm given a role. I had to work through my emotion so that I fit in as Laura. Though I'm not that type, I'm just me. I don't know how to describe me, but I'm just me. So I had to work it out and fit in as Laura with her emotions and all her craziness. Yeah, so that is how I dealt with it. If you see me on the way, I'm not Laura. Laura is a character. I'm just me. Anyara came that. Don't stone me.
Okay.
Thank you.